Hi, I'm Gita, and I am going to show you how to install your very own cafe curtain. You need a drill, a level, a pencil, and the hardware that comes with your cafe rod. First, take your socket that's the closed end, slip your rod into that socket and then tighten it with your Allen wrench and the little teeny screw that's included. And then take the rings needed, slip that right onto your rod and hang your curtain right to those rings. Also keep in mind that some of those drapery pins on the backside of your curtain may have shifted a little during packaging. So if you look across and one of the drapery pins is a little too low, pull it out from the bottom and then you just slip it right back on top and get it aligned with the rest of them. For this next part, you will need a helper and a level. So have your helper stand in the center of the rod and hold that middle support bracket. Put your level onto the rod and then you stand over with the left-hand side where you've attached the socket to your rod and hold that up where you think it's going to look good and be straight. So keep your eye on the level, but don't forget to look down and make sure that your drapery is hanging where you like it on the windowsill. We usually go up about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. So once you have everything in place and you feel like it's nice and straight and you're looking at your level, go ahead and mark that left socket with a pencil, and that's where you're going to screw that socket right into the wall. Take that socket now and unscrew it, pull it off of your rod so that you can now drill it into your window opening. Then go ahead and slip your rod back inside of there, take your level one more time, attach it to your rod, and then make sure you're straight across on the right-hand side so you can go ahead and drill that into your window opening. Now that you've got both the left and the right sockets installed, go ahead and slip your rod into that, place it down, and then you're gonna stand back and see that your rod is bowing just a little bit. So take your middle support bracket, place it where it needs to be, and then screw that into your wall. Now that your curtain rod is in place, you're gonna slip it off just one more time, put the rest of the rings on the right-hand side, hang that cafe curtain, put it back in place. Don't forget to tighten the little teeny screw with your Allen wrench on the left-hand side so that your rod is more secure. And then one last thing, if you've ordered acrylic batons, this is when you're gonna just attach those to that first ring that comes together in the middle. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got more questions about installing your own cafe curtain, go ahead and email us at info@uptowndrapes.com.